Stop going to MTN office to unblock your MTN SIM card. I'm going to show you how to unblock your MTN SIM card at the comfort of your home without having to stress yourself at the MTN office or have to go through tedious problems. Now, it is very easy for you to do. Now, what you just need to do is, before I teach you how to do it, please make sure you have liked this video and make sure you have subscribed to this channel so that you'll be receiving important updates like this when I drop it on my channel. I drop very important updates on this channel related to tech and any other tech tricks that you need to survive as an internet user. Now, let's go into the big business of the day. Come to your phone, make sure you turn on your location. Make sure your location is turned on. You can see I've turned on my location. So what you are going to do is you dial star 9966 hash, then you send it. Watch this video, let me show you how to do it step by step. So what you are going to do is you tap on you're going to tap on number 1, then you tap on number 2, then you put your name. Make sure you are with your name number. You put your name number here, you press send, then you press number 1, accept. So when you press this accept and you send it, your MTN SIM card will be unblocked immediately. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. So once you send this your NIN, your SIM card will be unblocked immediately. MTN will unblock your SIM card. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching this video.